Hi, my name is Kendall Hope Tucker, and I'm the founder and CEO of Knoq. At Knoq, we believe in neighbors helping neighbors. And before COVID-19, we had teams of knockers who went out in their own neighborhoods and talked to their neighbors about products and services that can make their lives better. We truly believe in respecting people as people, and we're devastated that we can't talk to people face to face right now. We know that there are so many other people and organizations that have also been affected by COVID-19, which is why we've decided to support groups that we believe in and we've worked with in the past, or maybe we'll work with in the future, by opening up our internal data platform so they can contact consumers in personalized, custom ways, even during this crisis. Right now, it's not safe to have face-to-face interactions. So we're supporting groups that are pivoting to use direct mail, to use calls or emails, so they can continue having custom personalized interactions with people. We have data in our internal platform on 270 million Americans, which is 97% of the American population. Some of this data we've collected face-to-face, and other parts of the data has been cultivated by numerous data partnerships that we have built throughout the years. This is all data that's been ethically sourced, and we've tested it because what matters most to us is that people are respected when you're reaching out to them for any form of sales conversation. On top of basics like phone numbers, email addresses, and addresses, we also have behavioral information, which is when people have told us what they care about, what products they want to buy, so we can predict which messages are going to be most impactful to them and why they'll be thankful when your group reaches out to them during this crisis. Now, I want to show you a little bit about what that looks like. When you log into the NOC Data Platform, this is what you see. Right now, we're continuing to just use this internally, but a sales representative on the NOC team can walk you through this. We may open it up publicly at some point. So when you log into the NOC Data Platform, this is what you see. We always start with maps because at the end of the day, we're neighbors helping neighbors, and it's extremely important to us that messaging is custom, personalized on an individual level, and local if possible. So we look at maps, and then we can filter down based on whatever data a certain industry cares about. We've done work across all of the business to consumer industries, so we can help your organization understand what might matter the most to you. So, for example, if you are a home improvement company, if we're looking at this map, we can filter down into what land values are for each individual person. We can filter by homeowner versus renter. We can filter by dwelling types, home year built, home improvement interests that they've expressed to us in the past or that we've modeled, home HVAC, sewer, water systems, anything like that. So we can filter that and then give you a list of qualified leads to make your business the most effective. For grocery and meal delivery services, we've collected data on people who are cooking and food enthusiasts. We have data on people who love gardening and have talked to us about that in the past, or we've modeled on that. We have data on people who buy special foods, who love food and wine, who own pets, anything that might pertain to which qualified leads you want to reach out to, because we know that marketing, especially right now, is very expensive. We can do this for many other industries. We'll put a list here and we'd be happy to talk to you about any of these. We can't talk about data without talking about security and privacy. We believe that data should be a force for good. We also recognize that data, both personal and corporate, is very sensitive. So we combine enterprise-grade security features with comprehensive audits of our applications, systems, and networks to ensure that your data is protected at all times. If you have any concerns about that, feel free to reach out to us. We are so excited to talk to you, and we hope you're staying safe during this time.